The Oppo Find series pushes the boundaries of technology to constantly create new possibilities. Crafted from highly durable ceramic, every curve is deliberately designed to feel like an extension of you. We've incorporated a 120Hz ultra-vision screen, true billion color display refreshes seamlessly. The Find X2 series also introduces a revolutionary ultra-vision camera system that features a larger custom-made sensor and all-pixel omnidirectional PDAF technology. So even in low-light conditions, you can switch and lock the focus between foreground and background seamlessly. Our 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charge again pushing charging speed beyond the imaginable. Oppo Find X2 series.